Clean the phone screen. Remove the cut from the sheet and place it over the screen. Check whether the alignment is correct. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the lower layer outward. Follow the procedure on the opposing side. Remove the top printed layer. Push out the bubbles in the corners. Other bubbles, shades and lines will automatically heal off within 24 hours.
Order online.
www.rizcarcreations.com